Good morning, students. Welcome back to your maths class. I hope you all are very well and you all are doing your assignments regularly. So, children, today was your post midterm exam. I hope that it was easy and you all have done it in a very good manner. Right, students? So, now we will start, or we can see that we can continue our division chapter. Okay, so we have already done till assignment number 8.4. Today we are going to do assignment 8.5, in which we are going to learn properties of division. Okay, so let's start doing it. Okay, so children, our first property is that whenever we divide a number by 1, we will always get the same number, है ना. जब कभी हम किसी भी नंबर को डिवाइड करते हैं 1 से, तो हमें क्या मिलता है? 3 ही मिलेगा. See, if I divide 5 with 1, okay, by 1, so what do I get? I will get 5. See how I am doing this division by repeated subtraction. Okay, here is 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Minus 1 is 3. Minus 1 is 2. Minus 1 is 1. Minus 1 is 0. Yes? So how many times? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time. What is the answer of it? 5. Right? So 5 we have got. In the same manner, whenever I divide any number, whether it's a bigger number, whether it's a smaller number, whatever number I will take, if I divide that particular number by 1, I will get the same number, है ना. अगर मैं किसी भी, चाहे वो नंबर छोटा हो चाहे वो नंबर बड़ा हो, उस नंबर को अगर मैं 1 से डिवाइड करती हूँ तो मुझे सेम ही नंबर जो है वो आंसर में मिलेगा. ओके, I will get the same number as an answer. Okay, so this is our first property of division. Now second property is dividing a number by itself. अगर मैं सेम नंबर को उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करती हूँ तो हमेशा आंसर हमारा क्या आता है? वी विल ऑलवेज गेट 1. ओके, लाइक हियर एन एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन दैट 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. If I subtract 4 from 4, right, what do I get? I have got only 1 time 4, right? So this is got the answer. We have got the answer 1, right? If I take another example like 20 divided by 20 is equals to how much? How do we come to know? So what I am going to do, I have to simply subtract it. 20 minus 20 is equals to 0. It means 1 time. Yes, so 1 is the answer, right? So whenever a number is divided by itself, we will get 1 as an answer. Okay, हमें क्या मिलता है आंसर में? 1 ही मिलता है, 1 के अलावा कुछ नहीं मिलता. ओके, now next property is that whenever we divide 0 by a number is always equal to 0. जब कभी हम 0 से किसी नंबर को डिवाइड करते हैं, कोई भी नंबर से 0 डिवाइड होता है ना, 0 को जब हम किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमारे पास आंसर 0 ही आता है ना. राइट, सो नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज आवर फोर्थ property. But before that, I would just give you more examples of this. Suppose that if I divide 0 by 100, what will I get? I will get 0. If I divide 0 by 50, what will I get? I will get 0. Okay, whenever a number is divided by any number, 0 is divided by any number, we will get 0 as an answer. Okay, clear? Okay, now let's see our fourth property of division, right? See, here is an example, is an fourth property. An example is also given. Dividing a number by 0, है ना. किसी भी नंबर को मैं डिवाइड करूँ 0 से, सो वो पॉसिबल नहीं है. शेयर 5 चॉकलेट्स इक्वली अमंग 0 चिल्ड्रन. 5 चॉकलेट्स आते हैं, है ना, लेकिन मुझे किसी भी बच्चे में 0 चिल्ड्रन में इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है, तो पॉसिबल है? नो, नॉट पॉसिबल. दैट इज़ वाई whenever we divide a number by 0, we will get the answer that is not possible, because that is easily not possible. Okay, now here in the property 3, you can see in book also it is given that whenever we divide 0 by a number is always equal to 0. if we share 0 chocolate equally among 5 children, है ना, 0 chocolate थी और मैं 5 स्टूडेंट्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट उसको करना चाहती हूँ, तो क्या आएगा आंसर? 0 ही आएगा, क्योंकि मेरे पास तो कुछ था ही नहीं ना डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने का। तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है, जब 0 थिंग है मेरे पास, 0 है ही नहीं मेरे पास कोई चीज़, तो डेफिनेटली आई विल गिव nothing to children. Yes, so that is why whenever our number is 0 is divided by any number, we get 0, and whenever our number is divided by 0, we'll get not possible answer. Okay, now see, here are few questions given, mental maths is given here, so we can solve it, right? So 25 डिवाइडेड बाय 1, तो हमने अभी पढ़ा था जब किसी नंबर को हम 1 से क्या करते हैं, डिवाइड करते हैं, तो हमें सेम नंबर आंसर में मिलता है ना। 17 डिवाइडेड बाय 17, व्हाट डू वी गेट? 1. 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 19, वी विल गेट 0, राइट? So in this way we have done this. Now all of you take out your notebook and let's do sums in it. Okay, let's do work in it. Now see children, we will write today's date 15th December 2020, assignment 8.5. Okay, now we will write properties of division, right? What do we write? We will write properties of division. So dividing a number by 1 is always equal to the number itself. This was our first property. We will write here it in our notebook. Okay, for example, 3 divided by 1 is equals to 3. Yes. Now second property is dividing a number by itself is always equal to 1, right? अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को डिवाइड करते हैं उसी नंबर से, है ना, suppose that I am saying that you have 10 chocolates and you have to give those chocolates to 10 students, so each student will get 1 chocolate, right? So that is what the answer is, right? Whenever we divide a number by itself, the answer is 1 only. Okay, now our next property is dividing 0 by a number is always equal to 0. जब भी हम 0 को किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें आंसर में क्या मिलता है? We will get 0 as an answer. Okay, now next property is dividing a number by 0 is not possible, है ना। जब कभी हम डिवाइड करना चाहते हैं किसी भी नंबर को 0 से, सो दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, वो पॉसिबल है ही नहीं। मैं चाहूँ कि 9 जो चीज़ें हैं वो 0 उसमें बांट दूँ, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दूँ, 0 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर दूँ, सो दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, राइट? ओके, so that is why that is not possible. Whenever we divide any number by 0, that is not possible, right children? Now turn to your next page and then we will do exercise based on these properties. Okay, so I hope that you have understood all the properties very well, right? So you have to do it in your notebook in a neat and clean handwriting. Okay, be very clear and be very good while writing. Okay, now students, see here, fill in the blanks. 25 divided by 25. So we have done and we have learned even the property that whenever a number is divided by the same number by itself, we get answer as 1, right? Now see here, yes, in this example also, if we divide 17 by 17, what do I get? I will get 1 only, right? If I divide 30 by 1, so this is based on property number 1. Whenever our number is divided by 1, we will get the same number. Yes, okay. Now next is a number is divided by a number itself, so we will get again 1. 0 is divided by a particular number, we will get 0. 0 is divided by a particular number, we will get a 0. 16 divided by 1 is equals to 16, right? 18 divided by 18, 18 को ही 18 से अगर मैं डिवाइड करूँ तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे? 1 मिलेगा, right? And 10 divided by 10 is equals to, yes, 1. Okay, so in this way we have done our exercise and we have to do our exercise in the same format. Okay, in this manner only you all have to do. So kindly do your work in a very neat and clean handwriting, and please students, revise your tables regularly and practice your maths regularly, because if you will not practice, or if we just don't want to do practice, then your maths will become weak, okay? And that I don't want, that anyone will be less in maths. Yes, anyone is weak in maths, I would not like it. And be please be attentive while watching videos and doing your homework as an assignment. Okay children, stay home, stay safe, take care, God bless you.